Everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm here to fire you up and guide you through mastering the art of making your mark on the world through social media. Today, we're diving deep into how you can build a successful brand on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. So let's get right into it. First things first, let's talk about the power you have right in your hands, your smartphone. Gone are the days when you need a TV spot or a newspaper column to tell your story. The internet has changed all of that. Now, everyone, including you and me, can share our stories with the world. Here's your action step. Start today by sharing something personal or inspirational about your journey. It could be a quick video or a heartfelt post on your favorite platform. Remember, your voice matters and your story is worth sharing. Now, while it's easy to share, getting noticed is a whole different ballgame. You're competing with millions out there. It's like being in a huge crowd, all shouting at once. How do you get heard? Boost your visibility. Focus on what makes you unique. Use hashtags wisely, post consistently, and engage actively with your followers. Every comment, every like, every share counts. This brings me to my next point, authenticity. People can spot a fake from a mile away. When you share your story, let it come from the heart. Be real with your audience. Authenticity builds trust, and trust builds brands. Show your true self in every post and video. Talk about your struggles as well as your wins. People relate to real stories, not perfect ones. Marketing isn't what it used to be. Running the same old ads doesn't cut it anymore. The world has moved on to likes, shares, and viral videos. Big companies and small businesses alike are learning this stuff the hard way. Stay updated with the latest trends in digital marketing. Maybe start a podcast, create a series of tutorial videos, or even run live Q&A sessions. Keep innovating to stay ahead. Lastly, let's talk empathy. Understanding your audience is crucial. It's not just about selling, it's about connecting on a human level. Take the time to listen to your followers. What are their needs, their pain points? Use this information to create content that resonates with them. Content that solves problems and enriches lives. Remember, my brothers, the key to success in the social media world is not just about being loud, it's about being heard. Make yourself authentic, your amplify, and your guide, and empathy, your guide. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Keep pushing, keep evolving, and let's make our mark together. Peace out.